What circuit boards do you do? Number 34. AD255C high-frequency PCB. Rogers AD255C commercial microwave and RF laminate material is PTFE and ceramic filled composite, which combines the superior thermal properties of fluoropolymer resin system with selected ceramic materials and fiberglass reinforcement. It is designed with low dielectric constant, low loss performance, low thermal expansion properties, and very good passive intermodulation characteristics. AD255C's dielectric constant is 2.55. Dissipation factor is 0.0013, with a tight tolerance at 10 GHz and 23 degrees Celsius at 50% relative humidity, along with a thermal coefficient of dielectric constant of -110 parts per million per degree C over a range of 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Coefficient of thermal expansion in the X, Y, and Z direction is measured at 34 parts per million per degree C, 26 parts per million per degree C, and 196 parts per million per degree C, respectively, over a range of -55 degrees Celsius to 288 degrees Celsius. It has a low passive intermodulation of -159 and -163 dpc at 13 μ and 16 μ thickness, as measured by reflective 43 dpn spread out at 1900 MHz. Typical applications are cellular infrastructure base station antenna, automotive telematics antenna systems, and the commercial satellite radio antenna, etc. Thank you. See you next time.